Hello guys, this is binaryoptions.net.eu. It is the first recording of the day after the US markets are opened, and what I would like to point out here is the strength on the Euro-Japanese yen. As you can see, even though this is a 4-hour chart, it is still valid. I mean, I try to zoom in to see as many candles as possible. And the reason why we're so bullish here is that this structure that you can see here represents a possible irregular flat for this move here. And this irregular flat, it is a special type of an irregular flat. It is called an irregular failure, actually. And it has some important characteristics, not any kind of characteristics, but bullish characteristics. So let's see what we're going to say here. Basically, let me start with the conclusion, because I would like to buy call options here with end of week expiration date. That will be next Friday or tomorrow by the time the US markets are going to close. And from this moment of time, look at the previous move. Well, the previous move on the Euro-Japanese yen ends with a contract in triangle, this to be A, B, C, D, E. So ends with a contract in triangle like this. Like this, and this makes it that for the move that follows the contract in triangle, so from this moment of time, we're looking for a 5-way structure. Well, the 5-way structure seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is being called a first wave extension. So this should be labeled as a first wave, the biggest one. Every time you're looking at a first wave extension, you're looking for the first wave to be the longest, then the second wave here, 1, 2, three, 4, but as you can see, the fourth is this one here, A, B, C, so the fourth. And of course, we're looking for the fifth wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is that? Well, this would be most likely, right? Please note the words that we are using when trading with Elliott waves. So most likely, a wave A of a bigger degree. Now, if this is wave A, we're only coming to our analysis here. The analysis is that here we're looking for a nice pattern being called irregular flat. Now this irregular flat goes for something like this: wave A to the downside to end here of this degree blue. As you can see here, price makes another contract in triangle of a lower degree. This is looking like a contract in triangle that ends, a double combination is being called, and the triangle acted as a reversal pattern. Like here. And from that moment of time, so this is the end of wave A, and from this moment of time we're looking for A, B, C to the upside. So this is the B wave to the upside of the same degree. That being the case, as you can see, the B wave there to the upside retraces more than 138.2. That means that while there is still a slightly chance for the C wave to come to retrace the whole previous B wave, this is usually not happening. It is not happening here as well, and therefore our analysis calls for a C wave to come here. Now the thing is with these flats, the irregular failure flats, is that we need price now to go to the upside, and the logical target to the upside would be this trend line to be met, and therefore this is why we are buying the call options. This would be the B wave, and now we are looking for a C wave to the upside. Usually the C wave to the upside in a zigzag, because this seems to be a zigzag that goes with a 5, 3 and then a 5 wave structure. So usually the C wave to the upside goes with the same length or relates with 100% Fibonacci when compared with the previous leg of a zigzag, so basically with wave A. And that means that for the C wave we're looking for something like this to come. And that, my friends, would be only the C wave to the upside, and it means something like 142.73 in an impulsive move. So this is the reason why we're buying call options. Let's write here on the screen then that we are buying call options with end of week expiration date for our, let's say, analysis in the Euro-Japanese yen. Thank you very much for being here. This is again binaryoptions.net.au, and all this analysis and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor, Lion Eye.